Hola, people of Earth. This is the Random Monkey Show by Sevi LPS Production. We are walking to the trampoline now. Whee! Flippy, flippy, I'm bored. Oh, no. It's a face. It's staring at me. That's weird. So yes, we are going to the trampoline. Whee! Sorry, people. I fell. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. People of Earth. I like to jump. Whee! Ow. So, people, I like to play around. I'm a monkey. Whee! Ow. I'm a monkey. I'm a monkey. I like bananas. Banana, 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 banana. Who are you? I don't know you. You're weird. I don't know who you are. Do you even know me? What is my name? Paul. No, it's Mr. Bananas. Wait, let me check my name tag. I can't read it. I can't read it. I'm trying to check the name tag. Oh, ow. Wee. Falling. Wee. Ow. Bye bye, people of Earth.